Today is Thursday, May 31st. The time is 9:30 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2010 Panini Crown Royale football break, break number 16. Good luck, everybody. First card, Rams, Steven Jackson. Next for the Denver Broncos, jersey, Demaryius Thomas, serial number 261 out of 299. For the Seahawks, Earl Thomas, rookie. For the New York Jets, Majestic, Wayne Chrebet. Kings of the NFL, Aaron Rodgers, Green Bay Packers. And Panthers, D'Angelo Williams. Saints, Marquise Colston. Saints again, Jimmy Graham, autograph, rookie, serial number 224 out of 249. Rams, Jerome Murphy, rookie. Raiders, Darren McFadden, blue crown, serial number 6 out of 100. The Zone, Jets, Jericho Cotchery. Jaguars, Maurice Jones-Drew. Buccaneers, Kellen Winslow Jr. We have a redemption. We'll save that for the end of the pack. Eagles, Jeremy Maclin. Falcons, Kerry Mayer, rookie. Living Legends, 49ers, Joe Montana. Bills, Lee Evans. The redemption is for RPS Rookies, card number 214. Let's see what that is on the checklist. Card number 214, Montario Hardesty, Cleveland Browns. Last pack, Lions, Brandon Pettigrew. Living Legends, jersey, Browns, Paul Warefield. Serial number 90 out of 299. Royalty, Eli Manning, Giants. Ravens rookie, Dennis Pita. Denver Broncos, Royalty, Tim Tebow. And the last card, Lions, Matthew Stafford. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending today for 2011 football, I have Crown Royale. Also listed for 2011 footballs, Panini Prime Signatures, Panini Certified, and Topps Supreme. For Major League Baseball, ending today, I have 2011 Tier 1, and I will be listing some additional box breaks over the next few days.